Hello everyone, Akash here. Today I wanted to review a product called Body Wash that I've been using it for a long time. It's over 6 months I've been using. It's called Spring Water Hydrating Body Wash. It's made by Dial. It's Spring Water Hydrating Body Wash. That's I've been using it over 6 months. I use many product over the year body wash, but this is the one works for me because I have especially dry skin, and for men definitely it works really good and it smells better and it really hydrating my skin. So it's something I would recommend to pretty much everybody who has a dry skin. And this comes 32-ounce big bottle. They have small bottles, but this is the big one, 32 ounce. So this is the one I get best deal online. I got the description box, I have the link. Because reason they have a small one, this one is good for about 2 months, one bottle. So I get two bottle like this. Is good for over 4 months. Depend how much you use it. If you don't use much, it might be you could have maybe it's good for 6 months. And if you go on the store, it's gonna cost you at least 20 to 25 bucks, depending where you're going. So this is something like you especially think about dry skin. And like I said, hydrating really, because some a lot of products say a lot of things, but when you use it, it's not really the what you looking at it. So basically I would definitely recommend this for men. And again, I have the link in description box. Get the 32 ounce, don't get the small one because it runs out pretty fast. But if you get a big one, so it's comfortable, you don't have to buy it more often, and it's good for a longer time. And if you get a big one, you get better deal. Like I get around 15 bucks, and in the store it's going to cost you like 20 to 25 bucks. So again, this is a good product. I've been using it because if it wasn't a good product, I wouldn't be using it for 6 months. I would be using it for a month or two and stop using it because I wouldn't know why would I waste my money on something that doesn't feel right, or it doesn't help my skin. So again, if you like the video, please hit the like button, or thank you so much.